OnePlus Open Slim to Slimmer left corner. Oppo Find N3 folds like a champ, but stays slim. Both contenders weigh about 239 to 245 grams, so they're basically in the same weight class. OnePlus glass for leather, plastic for unfolded, aluminum frame. Oppo glass plus eco leather equals fancy back. OnePlus dual SIM 5G with eSIM. Dual SIM 5G with nano SIM. Different styles, same goal. Both have a speedy 120 Hz refresh rate for that smooth, buttery feel. OnePlus Open, big 7.82-inch inner display. Oppo 631-inch cover display, big and small screen to body ratio 89:6. It's a tie. OnePlus Open 2268 by 2440 pixels. Oppo cover 1116 by 2484 pixels. Pixels per inch, more like pixels per pinch. And onboard more. Phones tied at 426, 431 pixels per inch, neck and neck. OnePlus Open, Android 13, Oxygenos 13.2. Oppo Find N3, Android 13, ColorOS 13.2. Android Rave, both contenders have the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 under the hood. It's built on a tiny 4nm process. Same chip, new threads. These phones have a fancy octa-core CPU, having one super speedy core that goes up to 336 gigahertz. Hot stuff incoming. GPU, Adreno 740, same for both. Boom. In the memory game, OnePlus Open and Oppo Find N3 are shuffling the same deck. Both pack a mind-boggling 16 gigs of RAM and a jaw-dropping 512 gigs of ROM, and there's no card slot, so they're not up for any expandable memory monkey business. Snap, photography. Anyone? OnePlus Open's main camera modules, 48MP wide, 64MP telephoto, and 48MP ultra wide. Picture perfect. Oppo Find N3 goes all out with the same setup. Both contenders shoot 4K vids at 30 and 60 FPS. Let's snap some epic pics. OnePlus Open is like a selfie expert with a 20MP inner camera and a cover camera that's flexing with a whopping 32 MPa. Say cheese. The Oppo Find N3 is like a twin, matching every pixel in spec, like a perfect copycat. Oh, and guess what? They both rock at capturing 4K videos from the front, but at a leisurely pace of 30 frames per second. In the noise battleground, both phones are unleashing a symphony of sound with stereo speakers, so prepare your ears for a wild party. But alas, there exists no 3.5mm jack on either cheek. Well, it seems like the tangled audio skirmish has finally thrown in the towel. Both contenders have Wi-Fi 800 2.11, 7, and Bluetooth 5.3. They're like a dynamic duo of wireless awesomeness. They're like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth's love triangle. No one's getting lost with their GPS buddies, GPS, GLONASS, DDS, Galileo, and QZSS. They both do NFC for all your no-touch stuff. USB-wise, they're both Type-C 3.1, so it's a tie. They're equally good at features. Both have face unlock, a side fingerprint sensor, and lots of sensors like accelerometer, proximity, and compass. Oppo Find N3, it even has a barometer, weather updates on your phone. Anyone? More like phone weather updates, huh? Phones have big batteries. LiPo 4000, 805 mAh. Both phones charge fast, but OnePlus Open is like, watch me go from 1 to 100% in just 42 minutes. Oppo Find N3, I can do what they do in 10 minutes for 35%. Endurance test. More like how long can you suffer without giving up? Phones, we won't die on you after just a few hours, we promise. Battery battle, it's a draw. In the miscellaneous category, OnePlus Open shines in Emerald Dusk and Voyager Black, Oppo Find N3 Black, green, gold, red, so many colors, it's like a rainbow. Drum roll, please. The price is coming up. OnePlus's fancy 512 gigs, 16 gigs RAM phone costs $1,499, while Oppo Find N3 might be around $1,400. Best verse, cash the ultimate showdown. Hey folks, we've had a wild showdown between OnePlus Open and Oppo Find N3 phones battle, but it's your taste that wins. Which one, huh? Comment below, like and subscribe to DigiDuelers for epic tech battles and hilarious takes. Get ready for more epic battles. Keep on dueling in the digital world.